Welcome to the another video. In this video I'm going to show you is your website mobile friendly or not, how to check. So you need to enter your admin panel and then go to your website. Just click on the mobile icon, mobile view, that the website looks fine on mobile or not. We can just check. Yes, here's some space we are seeing on the right side, and then all of are in the left side. This are in the center and looks perfect. Meet our team is looks perfect for mobile. And if we see any on of error for the mobile version, and then we can change, of course. Just yeah, everything is fine on mobile version. And if you want, we can make them center. Just click on the edit, and for the mobile, yeah, we can make them a bit smaller, like S3, and then make it center. Yes, this can be the center and a bit bigger. Okay, so now it looks perfect for now. And this one is, we can make a bit bigger, the mobile version. Now it looks perfect. You can make it full width for the mobile and looks perfect. Okay, so we can make them text center. Yes, so this is how we can check the mobile version is okay or not. For the menu icon, you can click on the menu. Yes, it looks fine for the mobile. And we can check on the other pages like about us. Yeah, we need to make it text, or this text also in the mobile version. So if everything is not okay or something, you can see the error that you can change for the mobile. And for the mobile version, we can write some CSS. We can write some custom CSS in here for the font, for the buttons, and for the image blocks. We can try different option for the mobile. Okay, so I hope you understood that how to check that my website is mobile friendly or not. If not, then you can do it, or if you cannot do, then you just need to hire someone who is expert in Squarespace and mobile friendly design. Okay, so thank you for now.